How to add announcements to Wix. So you have two methods of adding announcement. You can either add an announcement bar or create a pop-up for the particular announcement. So for me, the most effective is to add an announcement pop-up. So click onto this plus icon right here. And then from in there, click onto the search and search in here for Lightbox. Here we have this, so click on it. Now we have in here some Lightbox options. For example, we can choose in here these announcements based on the sales that we have. For this case, I'll just head over and then choose in here this. So just drag and drop it into your page right here. Or you can also just select it if you want. So just wait for this to load because it's actually quite big, and in here we can see this. So you have the option to edit what's added right here. So the text says 30% off. So you can just click on that. You can edit the particular part of this text and also change out the particular image added to it. You can edit it to your liking in order to see in here the announcement and tailor it to what your business actually needs to have. So that's how you add announcements to Wix. Hope we helped.